Standard installation method is a manual process of installation of MetricsCube connector on your WHMCS. This is not the fastest way to connect your WHMCS with MetricsCube, but it's still simple and works on every server. First, please download the MetricsCube connector files by clicking the button above this video. As you can see, this is a .zip package, so unpack it first. Then, open the FTP client and log into the server where your WHMCS is installed. Open the main catalog of your WHMCS and upload all the files that you've previously unpacked. Excellent! Please now log in to your WHMCS admin area. In the Setup menu, choose the Add-on Modules page. Find the MetricsCube connector module and activate it. Once it's on, you need to enable access to your admin role. Click on the Configure button, choose the admin roles that should have access to it, and submit the changes. In the add-ons list, click on the MetricsCube connector. As you can see, the module has been successfully installed and activated. The final step is simply to click on the Synchronize button. Great! You'll be automatically forwarded to the last stage of the wizard as soon as MetricsCube receives information about the initiated synchronization.